low quality blurry old videos is the headache no more. I wanna compare Remini versus Tova AI Video Enhancer app. Which one is the best video enhancer app? Let's see and compare. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of you viewers fine. Request for news, subscribe to Sport. Sport is more important than everything. This is the interface of the Remini app. Remini app multiple times reviewed on the channel regarding AI photos, AI filters, AI photo enhancer and AI video enhancer. In this video, I'm going to show you the video enhancer. Let me show you first of all the AI photos. We have multiple categories or the preferences available for different occasions. You can choose the gender as well by click on top right side icon, pencil icon. And we have AI videos also available in the AI photos, which is the new addition, I think so. Back to home screen, we have to click on videos, choose the video. After that, we have two options here as you can see, edit video as well as enhance. Click on enhance video. Uploading, processing and downloading in Remini app is automatic. Enhanced video will be 2K or 4K. This depend on your device how much capable for the playback. Move on the next step. Tova AI Video Enhancer, which is time reviewed on my channel. On the home screen, we have first option available, which is H.265 format you can turn off. And then we have presets, which is automatic everything. Alongside that, we have manual tools available. You can create a combination of tools according to your preference and save it. As well as we have now an option for 2x, 4x, 4K and 2K resolution. Alongside that, and you click on enhancement, we have two models available, general and anime. Underneath that, we have base model 1, 2 and 3. I'm gonna choose the model 2. You can turn on grain as well, and here you can see the manual tools just like the Topaz, sharpen, reduce noise, anti-alias as well as clarity also available. Other than that, we have a lot of options here underneath as well, as you can see, frame interpolation and so on. Alongside that, we have the results option, what videos we have already enhanced using this app. Alongside that, we have another new tab which is called featured tab. As you can see, a lot of creators videos featured. I'm on the number 2. Why? You have to tell me. Tova AI Video Enhancer developers. Let's show you how you can enhance. Click on pick video, and after that, this will take some time for the uploading, and then you can see the preview here. As you can see, go to manual if you want, or you can choose from the presets. I'm gonna do via manual tools. As you can see, I'm already choose all the settings and I'm gonna do quickly. If you want to know in detail, let me know in the comments. A lot of new updates here in the Tova AI. I'm gonna cover it as well, and click on generate. Now we have two options, economy and the business one. I'm going to go with the economy. You have no need to go with the business. And then we have this type of interface. After click on enhance, this will take some times on the ready, 1 or 2 minutes, and then this will take a few seconds on the working process and then show you your video. Click on it, click on download. We have two options, download 1 and download 2. If somehow download option 1 not work, go back and click on download and choose download number 2. This is working 100% all the time. Now my video is downloaded and you can see the preview as well here. The output resolution, duration and the size of your video, which is great, I think so. Here is the side-by-side comparison, Tova AI versus Remini. Remini is doing great, no doubt, but somehow colors looks little bit fade. What do you think? Let me know. Remini output is 10-bit compared to Tova AI 8-bit. Both video enhancer did a great job, but overall, as you can see, Tova AI is really close to natural even compared to the Remini. Let me know in the comment section which one is the best video enhancer app on the mobile. Before it, I said that in multiple videos, Remini is close to natural and one of the best AI video enhancer app. But right now things changed. Remini is stick to automatic on mobile. I don't know why, but Remini have to think about it and implement manual tools for the video enhancer. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.